Hi, my name is Becca Stokes, and this is my 15-112 term project. The basic concept is that it is a maze game where the user has to navigate through a randomly generated maze in a certain time period. Each time the user starts a game, a new maze is randomly generated for them to play. However, there is a plot twist where pieces of the maze are going to shift and change as the user goes through the maze. As we can see, the user can move around with continuous motion, and random pieces of the maze are going to shift and change. One feature of the maze change is that the user can always solve the maze from their current position. Go to options, we see that we currently have 3 different levels: easy, medium, and hard. These differ by the time step between maze changes and the size of the board. Also, we have different types of maze changes. Dynamic is what we just saw, where the piece that's going to change is randomly chosen and shifted. However, with wave, the probable location of where the maze is going to change shifts from left to right across the screen as time goes on. And then similarly with spiral, the probable location of where the maze is going to change goes outwards from the center in a spiral pattern. And then finally we have scaling difficulty. This one's a little more complex, and it has, as the user gets closer to finishing the maze, the location of where the maze changes gets closer and closer to the user. So we can see that as I'm still far away, the maze changes are pretty far, but as I get closer, they're starting to get closer already. This uses a breadth-first search algorithm to find the distance from the user to the end, and then calculates where the maze should be changed based off of that. And then if we look at the level editor, the user can make mazes of different sizes, and they can draw the maze walls. One feature is that you cannot save any mazes that are illegal, so there are no closed loops allowed. So if I try to save this maze, it'll throw an error. But if I erase one of the walls, I can save it. And then if I go to options, I can load my saved game and play it. So that's about it for my term project. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.